Syncro System's vast range of cleaning accessories includes holders for large and small paper rolls. These can be mounted on your van's doors or bodywork, or on racking side panels. Rain covers are available to protect paper roll holders installed in positions that are exposed to the elements. Scrubs dry wipe holders. Compact soap dispensers, 3-litre soap bottles with push-down dispensers, and dedicated holders and plastic water tanks with tap can also be installed in the same position.